Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling, and today we making a Mexican treat with me, AB. So you read the title, and that's right, we making Mexican corn. Now check this out. This is what we gonna make. I'm gonna show you how easy, how fast it is to make. You got two options. You can go outside, you can grill your corn, or you can boil your corn. Either way, no need to over talk it, overthink it. If you like Mexican corn, you ever go to the fair, and matter of fact, it's fair time right now. You know what I mean? So listen, sometimes when I'm outside, like even when I'm driving, like late at night, I see these little pop-ups, you know what I mean? They selling that Mexican corn. So I decided to throw my hat into the fire and see what I can come up with. And I can tell you this right here is nice. So go ahead and watch the video and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, after my corn cooled and I'm able to handle it with my hands, what I did was I just cut the bottom and I cut the top. And what I'm doing is I'm just squaring it up. And by cutting the bottom, it just makes it just a little bit easier for you to insert a wooden skewer. That's what I'm using. Sometimes you can find bamboo sticks. Either way, anything you can use that you can insert into the bottom, you're just using it as a handle. Now this was just me putting my cheese right here, and this is going to be my workstation. Now after you got your station, you got your station set up, you want to take your corn, you hold it by the handle, and then you take a brush and you want to brush your melted butter all over the corn, and I mean brush it generously. You want it to get in every nook and cranny of the corn. Then, if you have a rubber spatula, you want to start rubbing and making it like a slather. You want to start putting that mayo all over the corn. Listen, the mayo serves as two purposes. One is it brings outstanding flavor with the sweetness of the corn, and two, it acts as a binder to hold the cheese on top. Now this one right here, what you see me sprinkling on here, this is Richard River rub. I call it the dirt rub. This is the hot and spicy. That first one that you see me made, that was sort of like mine. I'm gonna set that off to the side, and that's the one I'm going to enjoy. Now these next two corn on the cobs, these will be more authentic Mexican recipes. So, we just go ahead and repeat the first steps, but then when it comes time to do the sprinkle, you'll see that we use chili powder. Hey, so by now you're probably looking at like, man, I didn't know how easy it was to make. I just wanted to show you, listen, there's nothing to it, great flavor, and I'm gonna show it to you. Did 3 different versions of it. One has hot sauce sprinkled on it. This one right here, I used Rich's hot and spicy. Listen, that's that river dirt. And on here, we just went traditional. So let me go ahead and take a bite. And we go from there. Let's see what we're working with. Oh man. Now listen, I've had this several times, And I can tell you right now, you wouldn't think that mayonnaise, chili powder, and butter with that sweetness of the corn, man, this is awesome right here. So look, now that I had a chance to wipe my mouth, because listen, it's a little messy, you know what I mean? But with this cheese, I gotta tell you that. Listen to this combination right here. Listen to this profile right here. You got cheese, chili pepper, you could taste the butter and the sweetness of this corn. That right there is just super explosive when it gets in your mouth. So listen, if you never ever tried this, you gotta give it a try. Listen, it's not a whole lot of things you gotta do. You know, it's not a whole lot of prep time. Just get your ingredients, you know what I mean? Melt you some butter. You saw in the video, put some mayonnaise, you know what I mean? I did this right here, but listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. Most of us, we just gonna work out of our container the mayonnaise came in anyway. And then we've got our cheese, you know what I mean? And then we got chili powder and then whatever kind of seasoning you wanna put on there. But I went with the chili pepper because that's more authentic and we just gonna keep it like that. But I promise you, you're gonna like it. So let's get to that part about, listen, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you wanna see more content like this, so we getting ready to start bringing, you know, like exotic foods, you know what I mean? Just trying to like broaden my horizon and broaden you guys' horizon, you know what I mean? And take that mystique out of, you know, making some of the stuff that we see out here, you know, as we out here traveling or we see like at these fairs. And listen, that's my main goal, just to show you, listen, if I can do it, you can too. With that being said, I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Outside of that, I'm getting ready to eat this corn. I'm out. Peace.